How to Create Your Own Feng Shui Abundance Bowl by Crystal Kelly. In this video, I will take you through 8 important steps that you can use to personalize your own abundance bowl. Check the link below for my other videos that explain how to choose the correct bowl and ideas of objects to put into your abundance bowl. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Step 1. Cleanse your bowl. Cleanse your wealth bowl with incense, sage, or Palo Santo. It is necessary to cleanse your Feng Shui abundance bowl before placing anything in it. To do this, light a cone or stick of incense, turn the bowl upside down, and place it over the incense. When you feel that the energy has been purified, it is time to fill your bowl.
Okay.
Step 2. Set your intention. After cleansing the bowl, you may begin building. With intentional thought, you will put together the materials for your bowl. Each item you place in the bowl should be treated with care. First, take some time to meditate on your goals and specific financial aspirations. Make your vision clear and act as if it has already been realized. As you put your bowl together, your thoughts will mix with the other components.
Okay.
Step 3. Lay your foundation. Think of this first layer as your foundation or the bedrock of your abundance, a material that provides stability to the other layers. You can use tiny pebbles, gemstones, glass beads, or any other item that is shiny or appealing. Step 4. Fertilize your bowl. Fill it with more auspicious wealth symbols, such as coins, gold ingots, jewelry, semi-precious stones, crystals, cash, real or fake. Remember, this is a metaphor for the wealth you are producing in your life, and it does not have to be a great amount of actual money to be effective. Representations of objects, such as pictures of coins, work just as well as actual coins. Step 5. Select a focal object for the top of your bowl. Have a focal point that stands out from the rest. These central pieces would lay on the bottom of items that bring in wealth and be higher than the horizon. This is similar to a flower pot in that the contents indicate fertile soil and the central element coming up is the plant. Step 6. Placing my abundance bowl. Your main money corner is the far back left of your house when looking from the front door. If you work from home, you can set it on the back left corner of your desk. You can also place it at your front door. If you want to attract new financial options and lots of luck into your life, this is a particular auspicious spot to keep it. If you own a business, place it near your cash register. Keep it somewhere meaningful to you so that every time you look at it, it fills your life with abundance. The act of doing so sends a message to the universe that you wish to increase your family's financial well-being. Where you should not put your wealth bowl. Bathrooms are energy wasters, so avoid keeping it there. Do not put your abundance bowl near a sink or on a shelf next to a sink in your kitchen. Drains are always energy leaks. Step 7. Caring for your abundance bowl. It is critical to keep your bowl clean and well maintained. Every few weeks, wipe everything in your bowl to get rid of dust and dirt. When you clean, move things around and don't put them back exactly the same way. It's good to switch places to shake up the energy or add or change things, so keep everything clean and fresh and your intentions high. Step 8. Gratitude. The final step in creating an abundant abundance bowl is gratitude. Remember to show gratitude for the abundance in your life. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that making a Feng Shui abundance bowl helps serve as a visual reminder of your financial goals and to function as a magnet for abundance. If you add the elements with the intention of bringing wealth and prosperity into your home and life, they will do so because they are symbols of money manifestation. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with a loved one who needs abundance in health and wealth. I wish you many blessings to you and your loved ones. An optional step is to write down the amount of wealth you want. You can write down the amount you want to attract on a piece of paper. Place this piece of paper under your bowl. Change it to the next desired amount once it has materialized.